What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing the license plate LED lights, and this is going to be my first time doing it, so you guys will be here with me, and I'm going to try and show you guys so you can do it yourself in the future. Alright guys, so it has two screws on the light assembly itself, so I just got any screwdriver I could find, and I'm going to see if I could just pop out the light housing and then go from there. So as you guys can see, there's a screw right here, and there's also a screw on the other one over there. Alright, so I just took the screw out right here. It was really simple. It wasn't hard at all. Alright, so we're gonna have to find a way to get this out. Alright, so this is like a whole new assembly. I didn't watch a YouTube video on how to take this off. Before I look up a video, I'm going to take off the screw on the other side as well. Because I saw older generations of the K3 do it, so now I gotta look at what a new generation looks like, removing the amber light, because this black housing I've never seen before.
See that it's a twist.
Dude, that's literally so easy. Good job. Alright, so I guess this is just a twist and turn on the little thing right here. Okay, there we go. So it was just a twist to the right. You twist this to the right or this to the left. Either way, twist like that. And then you can see the bulb. Bulb is exposed. I believe all you have to do is pull it out. Yep, there we go. So there's a little bulb right there. Now I'm going to switch it out for the LED. Alright, so here's the bag of the LED bulbs. It did come in more Amazon packaging, but I just unboxed it off camera. There's one right there. It goes in right here. Right here, just plugs right in. It should just go in like that. There we go. Okay. Now I can put this fixture back on, and then I'm going to do the same on the other side off camera, and then I'm going to show you guys how it looks after. Alright, so I put them back in. They are all set, and you can check them like that. There you go. So I got the LED lights all, so they look perfect. They worked out perfect. It was a simple and really fast, easy install. Alright, so this is everything. Those are the bulbs that came in that aluminum packaging, and then I used the small flathead screwdriver just to pry the actual light housing out in case it got stuck, and then I used the crosshead screwdriver to get those screws undone. And thank you guys so much for watching the video. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I hope the license plate video helped you. I think it's pretty dumb that Kia doesn't put LED lights stock on their car, so it's a very quick mod, and it was fairly cheap. I think the bulbs only costed like $11 on Amazon, and then everything else you already have at home, like a screwdriver. It looks great. I want to see how it looks at night. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.